Hi, I'm Kate Ward, and this is your Dickman Farms Backstage Pass. So we're sneaking up. Here's Bob Dickman again, and we're going to figure out what he's up to today. Hey, Bob.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Planting some gerbera today.
Oh, well.
Daisy flowers.
Where's all the people? We're at another machine. What is it?
So this is what we call our finished transplanter. So what we do is we load the plants that we talked about in earlier videos that we sow or we stick. And once they grow and have roots, we use the transplanter to plant into another tray, or the final tray is what we call it. So today we're planting daisies, and we're actually planting into a tray that we're going to later transplant into 1 gallon. So it's one extra step, but it allows us to grade our product and allows us to move a lot of plants at one time. So right now we're moving about 16,000 plants per hour.
Whoa, that's a lot of plants. So
yeah.
Is it hard? How much work do you have to do? Do we have to do a lot of work ourselves?
No, we let the machine do what it does. So we just load trays on the front end. The drippers grab the plants and plant them. And then we have folks down on the other end of the line, just making sure that the planter's doing a good job. We're tagging the trays, and off into the greenhouse they go.
So, Bob, other things we're seeing here, we see all these little moving parts. How does it know where we're going to put each one of these little plants? I mean, there's all these tiny little plants, and they're going to all these individual holes. Does it just know that? Do you have to program it? I mean, what kind of things do we got so it knows the difference?
Yeah, so when we bought the machine, we set it up for the tray that it's going to take out of, and then the tray that it's going to plant into. Okay. So this is what we call our 102 tray, 102 plants going into a 32 tray. We call them bump ups. So we're bumping the plant material into a larger container so that we can grow bigger roots, a big, nice, heavy-duty plug, and then to transplant it into the final container. So it does about 15 different plant sizes into final destinations trays.
That is so cool. So they're going to go off of here, they're going to go lay down, they're going to put some more roots on, and then we'll see them again later.
Yep, about 5 weeks.
5 weeks?
Yep.
And then we'll start seeing them. They'll get ready for their next journey, or sometimes if it's different product, it might be their final transplant.
You got it. Yeah. Right. So like 4.5-inch cups, 4.5-inch squares. We plant directly into those with the transplanter, and then that's what the customer's going to see.
Awesome. Yeah. And do we do this all by machine?
No, we do a lot by hand planting as well.
Okay.
So it's about 50-50 depending on the product.
Awesome.
So yeah. It just helps our employees go do other things other than having to stand on a planting line and plant for the machine.
Awesome. So it's
just making us more efficient.
Awesome.